TikTok marketing do's and don'ts. Do's. Create a profile that looks fascinating. This is a transcendent detail since the information you provide can leave a great impression on the people who look and visit your profile. Be original. Discover your own style. Do not imitate the content that is created by others. Be original. Enjoy creating your videos, since the viewers of your videos can see if you enjoyed making the video or not. Understand your followers. First, ask yourself why people would want to follow you. What does your account offer that others do not? Are you a good dancer or actor? All these questions will help you get to know your audience. Remember that you are not making videos for yourself. Follow the instructions when uploading videos. You must ensure that you do not violate TikTok guidelines. Your videos should be useful content for your followers. For example, videos where you give tips to improve your physical training. Participate in viral videos. By following the latest trends in social networks, lets you know that other types of content are popular right now. For example, the challenges involved in singing a popular song are an excellent option. Make your content consistent. Build a consistent pattern so that your audience knows what to expect from you. If your audience already knows what kind of video they expect from you every Monday and every Thursday, they will start waiting for you and return to TikTok on those days to watch their videos. Relate to your audience. Connect with your viewers. Don't forget to answer the comments that they put in your videos. When responding to your followers, be kind. Give intelligent answers, and they will feel that you care and that you look at their comments. Spread your videos on other social networks. Make a promotion of your videos on other social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, and also in a blog if you have one. The greater the number of people who see and know your content, the more they will see and like it. Make your production values improve over time. Most people who start on TikTok do so with limited budgets, equipment, and skills. By spending time practicing, they will develop their skills, and once they can generate money, they will improve their equipment and budget. Make your TikTok account grow. One of the most successful ways to make your TikTok account grow is to work TikTok together with another network. The primary influencers of TikTok work great on YouTube, so take into account these tips to increase your followers. Don'ts. Don't create boring videos or videos without any utility. Remember that you are not making videos for yourself, but for an audience. You should not make a wide range of videos trying to keep everyone happy. Don't reveal much personal information in your profile. Some people misuse TikTok, so it is not convenient for you to reveal a lot of information about yourself. You must be careful. Do not upload videos and images that people can use to abuse. Don't upload videos that generate violence. Users of social networks use this medium to have fun, meet people, and learn things. You want to grow your network of followers on TikTok. So if your videos are full of violence, your followers will stop following you. Don't choose a long username. If you want to make an impact when creating your TikTok account, don't choose a long and complicated username. Choose an easy and attractive name that hooks your followers. Don't be generic when creating your profile. If you talk about many things at once, your followers will not understand what your page is about. Don't forget to follow the latest trends. If you don't follow the latest trends in other easy networks, you will not have the opportunity to see and know that other types of content are popular at the moment. Don't use a single account. If you want to have a large audience, then don't limit yourself to a single account on the social network. By doing so, you will not be able to reach users on social networks such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Don't copy videos from others. Don't try to imitate the content of others' videos. If you do, you will never find a style that distinguishes you from others. Be original and unique. Don't follow people who are not famous on the network. If you want more followers, you should not follow people who have no influence on the network. If you want these people to follow you, it is very easy. Follow them and stop following them until they follow you. Don't use your TikTok videos to promote weapons. This social network is widely used by young people who use it to spend fun moments creating videos or just enjoying the content. So on this platform, you cannot publish content that encourages its users to buy weapons or use them.